boy come in. Kevon Arts. Now we have to support the youths. Big O Market and GLE. Park up at the studio E.
Alright. What a bossy name? Batty man crab skip your formula. You no see crusty crab fall off killer. Member cross the road under the dark. Me a page you no brawling if you no stop dark nigga. Me draw for the glove, me full of drip. Me ras it a warm to the crab, we full of shit. Bomb up on the workplace. Not the worst way. So pussy baba fit.
Come again. Can't play that one time.
Alright. What a bossy name? Batty man crab skip your formula. You no see crusty crab fall off killer. Member cross the road under the dark. Me a page you no brawling if you no stop dark nigga. Me draw for the glove, me full of drip. Me ras it a warm to the crab, we full of shit. Bomb up on the workplace, see not the worst way. So pussy baba fi drop, no push a lip. Your dirty formula, me no bother why. You a hide in a dark and a sniff your mother jaws. Fucking nasty boy crabs, what a drama. You shoulda shame my little self full of carda. Me family rich, but yearn them a suffer. Pearl them a mockers. Have me girl, but no a yours, me a go fuck.
Plankton come for revenge.
Spuff them a old germs where you can you feel butters. Eugene, how you attack for you never remember when me was a stepfather. Hold on, Eugene, how you attack? You never remember when me was a stepfather? When you're in your room, are you a meds? And me and Betsy did in a bed. When you are going to
Plankton gone at the mother road. This is serious.
kind for you just and me of your mama scream and a ball and a bite. Ask her if she remember that. Pussy.
A few moments later.
What mother you go?
Tell us that gone too far.
Alright, plugs, let's see how weird, man. Just remember how you would do it to yourself, you know. Yeah, man, remember how we run the gun, you know. Remember how would I be keen at our one in a pussy. Yeah, man, me don't talk now. Just watch our style.
The YNs is out. Oh, what the crabs, man? Crabs take it personal. Jaja.
Breaking Bumbleclot news. Early.
Yo! What kind of news, man, this? Alright.
Breaking Bumbleclot news. Early this morning, dancehall sensation Plantin, known in the streets as Pop Planks, has been hospitalized with serious injuries, though he's thankfully still with us. He remains in critical condition and authorities are urging everyone to respect privacy by not taking any pictures at this time. Sources say he was involved in a high-profile sale-by incident around 4 a.m. and camera footages reportedly captures two suspects tied to the scene. According to investigators, this is stemming from a diss track made by
This come from a diss track made by him.
Plankton, your dirty formula, me no bother why. You are hiding in a dark and a stiff your mother jaws. Fucking nasty boy crabs, what a drama, you should have shame. And Karen provided to the authorities 2 voice notes sent by Mr. Krabs to Planson's device.
What mother you go? Alright, plugs, let's see how weird, man. Just remember how you would do it to yourself, you know.
Mr. Krabs. Come on, Mr. Krabs. No, the voice note badness no work. Squiddy. This dude Kevon Arts, talented you, bro. You need to do something more than just this. Create your own shit. Create your own little anime or whatever the hell you want to do. Create that shit. Create a cartoon or something. A Jamaican cartoon would be sick, especially if it's airing on CVM TV or TVJ. CVM TV still there on?
And is back! Ready for your talk and steady with the Mac and one bob day and never left a Glock. Free Eugene, big boss, not a free cross, don't get me pissed off.
Yeah!
Free crabs, enough of them little pussy, yeah, them a pre-crabs. Bad mind pussy, them wanna be crabs. Liar to me, say dog, you want me cheek crabs. Anything them say you do, you never do it crabs. Such man nearly get dashed with. Waffy brain crabs nearly dead, that dead. Bad up yourself if you expect that then. 4 o'clock in the morning, me yes, a man shot dead. Free the boss for the roach, no remorse. This the man that for your man. Lucky you survive the storm. Hear the cup of them a blast. Everybody has a brass. Then me hear you get it up. Then I laugh, me laugh. Karen fuck off. Pussy will you inform. And I try frame the man. When the seal boy go on, yo them should have gear one. Suck him with my Karen and go dead plankton. Plankton for dead and I doubt me know. You never know a street cold. Come.
Pull it up!
Lucky you survive the storm. Hear the cup of them a blast. Everybody has a brass. Then me hear you get it up. Then I laugh, me laugh. Karen fuck off. Pussy will you inform. And I try frame the man. When the seal boy go on, yo them should have gear one. Suck him with my Karen and go dead plankton. Plankton for dead and I doubt me know. You never know a street's cold. Come on this the man. Look what you don't know. In a hospital bed lie down. You want that for reach you. Fucking leech you. Karen you a stitch. Can't wait for meet you. Look how much time planting them beat you. We have to save you. Fucking eat you. Ha ha. Yo, bad Bob. Cross the camp it up. When I ramp it up, roach gets stamped up. Free crabs.
Done right.
Free the Dan. Free the boss. Ha ha. That dead.
Alright, pause. No, I'm not gonna lie. This one was actually very entertaining. This one was actually beyond phenomenal. I think the youth, Kevon. Dude, me hope me pronounce your name right in the cause one thing would be over here, I gotta give people them flowers. Kevon Arts. Hope I saw you. Kevon or whatever the pronunciation is. Hope I pronounce that right. You know some people nowadays have some weird name, brother. You pronounce one way but I say it pronounce. But yeah, big up yourself, youth, you're bad. So please go over the dog YouTube and support the dog thing. As in the dog I write these things and I create these little animations. So I want to go over there, go get the dog a strength. Actually, go over there and like the video, comment on the video. You see me? Give the dog some ideas because let me tell you how it works. YouTubers, we get inspiration right now from our surroundings and watching other things. But we chat. Uno are the main reason why we do this sometime because I want to comment some things. I want to comment. We actually get ideas from it. You see me? So if you can drop some ideas over the dog page, yeah. You see me? Go over there, go drop some comments and make the dog know one that like to see. You see me? Some animation or something. You see me? So yeah. Imagine if the dog do all animation with Naruto. With Sasuke at this Naruto and Naruto at this Sasuke. You, that would have sick. You see me? But yeah man, big up Kevon now. So like, comment, share, subscribe. And soon, when time the dog drop a new one, because it's tough.